to film right now, but there is this little... Ow! Excuse me!
Saan halipag dito datang out? Sa dia, kasa di nababay na niya. Hi! 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 Ala-ala! Ana! Ini sa kabila na. Wow! Ala ka rin ng bulag ka.
Hello! Well, today we are going to unbox this thing. This Canon EOS M50. Well, actually, unbox as if wala pa na-unbox. I know, it's been so long na hindi ako nakapag-post ulit sa ating channel. Sa ating Hive, hindi na ako nakapagtambay ulit since I don't know when was the last time that I posted a video. But today, it is just fitting to introduce to you a new member of our team, a new member of our Hive, ang katambay natin, ang katropa natin. Tada! Finally, I got this camera! You just never know how happy I am when I receive this camera. It's just... the feeling is just so awesome. Well, today, sa title na nga ng video, i-unbox natin to. Dramatize lang as if nga wala pa yun ni siya na unbox. Well, let's start off with the outside portion of this box. Well, as you can see it here, this Canon right here, made in Japan. I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing, but it's really made in Japan. And there's a sticker, and there's a sticker here indicating what color of what is the color of the camera, and of course it's color black. I like white, but when it comes to gadgets, I really prefer color black. But kasi para sa ako, mura siya ganitong durable kaya siya para sa akong pananaw. Well, anyway, as you can see, if the thing is made in Japan, then you can really trust it. What else is inside? So, what we are going to expect inside of this box, kasi naka-indicate dito yung mga contents. That's digital camera EOS M50, zoom lens EF M50 to 45mm, neck strap, battery charger, and battery pack. Okay! I think that's it. So I put on a tape in here, just as if that really I haven't unboxed this thing. And let's go! And ta-da! Well, I know there's no thrill in that. Let's open it up. And ta-da! Oh, ta-da! Oh. And of course, there's a, what do you call this? A warranty card from the store where I bought this camera. Well, I'm just gonna reveal later, alligator, kung saan ko ba ito nabili ang camera ko. So this is it, pansit. So my sticker dito sa kabila, and it's, yeah, the serial number, I think. Yeah, let me see. Yes, it is. And of course, as we all know, oh my goodness, it's not focusing, dear. Alright, that one. The manual na hindi naman natin pinapasa. Alam ko naman eh. Pero babasa ko when just the need arise. But more likely, I'm not reading a manual. I just go to YouTube and search, how does the thing look? Ooh. Well, that's it. A user manual. Alright, the first item from this box is, of course, this. Oh my goodness. The charger. Well, this thing will not work with without this one. Alright? Ang kanyang wire. Lagay ko na lang dito. Ganun. Next item is the battery. Well, you know already that it's very important to have a battery. Bumili na pala ako ng battery, and it's Dura Pro battery. Bumili na ako sa Lazada kasi alam niyo na, pang backup sa mga natin. Yeah, backup. Okay, so the battery is LP-E12. I'll just put it inside again. Oh! And the next item is this one, the strap. Okay, this is your body because napaka-importante din ito kasi parang maiwasan natin malaglag yung mga importanteng mga bagay sa atin. Oh, Mama is asking if I'm going to sell my camera. I said, no. Kasi nasanay kasi siya pag nakakaharap ako ng camera, nagla-live selling and whatever. It's not. Today, Mother is unboxing Mother. Okay, so this is it, pansit. Yan. An open sesame. Yes, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if it is if you show it, okay? May lens cap. Huh? Is it? Well, let's take a look. Yes, it's lens dust cap. Okay, the lens that we have here. And ladies and gentlemen, the last but not the least. My babe. I'm gonna call this one my babe. Just say hi to our babe. Hi, babe. I'm so glad that you came into my life, babe.
Aww.
So wonderful. You're just so amazing, babe. Finally, beloved, I got this one. Well, today, yan yung sinasabi ko na nga, itong babe ko ay magiging babe nyo na rin. Ah! Okay, so I think that's it. The camera, the lens, the battery, the chargers, the neck strap, and the user manual. And this time, we are going to attach the lens to the body. Let's twist it. And of course, let's remove the lens dust cap of the lens. Oh. Okay. Well, if you are going to attach the lens to the body, you are just going to have this yellow dot in the white dot in here as your point of reference. So you just have these two dots aligned. Okay, and then twist it. And the moment that you hear the click, and that means that is okay already. And you are going to remove the cover, the lens cover. Let's see it. Turn it on, babe. Yeah, since this camera doesn't have a memory card, well, let's put a memory card. What I have here is a SanDisk memory card, 32 gig. 32 gig. Let's put it here. All right. And let's adjust the camera. gentlemen, to you my beloved, here is our babe, the Canon EOS M50. And I hope everyone that you're gonna be with me with this journey of mine with my new babe, Canon EOS M50. Alright, beloved, that's it. But before I'm gonna end this video, I'm going to show you kung ano talaga yung original na reaction ko nang dumating ang kamerang ito. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Kabalo sa man.
Ang pahabol, saan nga pala ako nakabili ng kamerang ito? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I bought this camera sa Santa Delivery PH. Yun na. Yun na nga, ladies and gentlemen, ang aking regalo sa aking sarili, ang Canon EOS M50. Thank you so much for watching, and till the